Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete your birthday date on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to maintain your privacy and keep your birthday private, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the homepage. This icon is typically represented by your profile picture. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn profile. From there, navigate to the Account Preferences section. Next, scroll down until you find the Profile Information category. Under this section, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can adjust personal details related to your profile. Now, look for the Contact Info section and click on Edit Contact Info. A pop-up window will appear showing your current contact details. Here's where you can manage your birthday settings. In the pop-up, locate the birthday bar. You will see options for month and day. To effectively delete your birthday date from being visible to others, simply choose a different month and day that you prefer, or set it to a date that does not hold significance for you. Finally, after making these changes, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. This ensures that your new settings are applied and that your birthday is no longer visible to others on LinkedIn. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your birthday visibility on LinkedIn and keep that information private. Remember, maintaining privacy on social media platforms is essential in today's digital world. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tips for managing your LinkedIn profile effectively.